Alright, so today we're going to measure ourselves. So get up and we're going to measure ourselves in inches, okay? We'll mark it on the whiteboard so that we have a good way to reference it, okay guys? Come here. Let's measure ourselves. Okay, so we're on the inches side. No, it sucks that we can't be right up against the whiteboard. Yeah. Try your best to be right up against the whiteboard. Dontrell.
Oh look.
Alright. Noelle. Should I measure her where her bun ends?
No.
She's already the tallest anyway.
Noelle. Alright, Ringsona.
What? Since when are you taller than me?
And move.
I said, you're taller than me too.
Oh gosh. Move and Ringsona.
Bro, no.
Same.
No, wait. Let me try this
Alright,
again.
guys.
Wait. Let me try this again. One more time. What? No, that's no fair.
Alright, Dontrell. Do you want to measure? Who wants to be my volunteer to measure how many inches it is?
Oh.
Me.
Alright. We don't have an official measuring stick, so we're going to have to do some addition. So we have 17 plus how many inches is this?
What?
39. 39 inches plus 17 for Dontrell. Because we don't have real measuring sticks, so.
Oh, yeah, I'm not sure of
So
course.
39 plus 17, that is 56, right? 56 inches. Ringsona and Moo. Are you guys recording this on your whiteboards? Yep. That's awesome. Nice job, guys. Okay, 18. Okay, go to the bathroom very quick. And then Noelle, you're 59 inches. And Miss Doe, I am 61 inches. Because I know I'm 5'1". Awesome. Okay. So the next step is Dontrell is in the bathroom. But we are going to arrange ourselves from tallest to shortest. So let's write our heights in order.
Oh, Mr.
This is pretty easy. It's already in order, huh? Alright. Ringsona's writing it out on her whiteboard. Tell me, what's the least?
Dontrell.
Which is 56. Keep listing the numbers from least to greatest for me. Then comes Yep, 57.5. And that's going to be there twice, right? Because we have two people who are 57.5 inches. And then Noelle is 59 inches. And I am 61 inches. So we order from least to greatest to find what, guys? We order from least to greatest to find 3 points of data, right? Do you remember the points of data?
Huh?
Remember when we're looking at data, we've been talking about this. We find the maximum, the minimum. What else? What else comes to mind?
Puppies. That's what came to my mind.
Median is one of them. Mean is one of them. And range is one of them. And there's one more I'm thinking of.
Wait, I know it's
Mode. Woo,
want
Noelle. Okay. So when we're ordering from least to greatest, how does that help us find which data points? It helps us find
like median. It helps us find like the middle.
the middle. And then it also helps us find the least, the minimum, and the greatest, the maximum. So, Dontrell, can you go up there and show us how you'll find the median?
Of course.
Of course. median?
57.5.
57.5. Alright, guys, all together now. What is the minimum?
56.
56. What is the maximum?
61.
And then, how do we find the range?
I know.
How do you find the range, Dontrell?
When you find the range, you do 56.
61 minus 56.
61 minus 56.
That's what I said beforehand.
I know, you were about to say that. It's true. I saw you on your way there. Moo, why do you subtract 61 from 56?
Because if you do that, you'll find the range.
Right, the range is maximum minus minimum, right? And the range is not 61 minus 56, right? It's one number. What is that number?
15.
5. 61 minus 56 is 5.
One
Okay.
number off.
So we have the median, the minimum, the maximum, the range. And then we have a few more to find, right? We have the mean. Right, so
The mode.
The mode as well. You can just find out the mode looking there. What's the mode?
I forgot how to do a mode.
Noel, Rensona, Mood, do you guys remember what mode means?
The mode is 57.5.
57.5. Why Moo?
I don't know how to explain it.
Exactly.
You know how to explain it?
Well, I do.
How do you explain it, Dontrell?
So it's the middle.
Well, yes, it's the median, but it's also the mode, and we're wondering why is it the mode?
I know. It's cause
Oh,
you
and
do
Sona.
because it comes the most.
It shows up the most. That's all there is to it. Remember, this is one way to remember it. Miss Wyndham likes to say that the mode shows up the most. All right, we have one last one, right? Oh, Rensona, what's up?
You add all the numbers together and divide it by how much numbers you have.
Which is called the mean. Mean. Rensona, do you want to do it for us?
Mean is too hard.
Awesome.
Mean is hard. Oh, we're supposed to write this stuff down.
Dontrell, no thank you. Okay, Dontrell, can you pick up the cat? Hey, Noel, you're not the one who threw it. Dontrell should be the one to pick it up.
Sorry.
Thank you. Sorry about that, Noel.
Can I just put,
Do you want to do the mean as well?
Yeah. Oh, I got it before everybody.
Uh-oh. Rensona, I think you forgot a step, right? You were saying you
Oh,
add all the
right.
numbers together and then you
Right.
divide it by the total number of
5.
heights, right? 5, sweet.
Wait, how do you divide decimals?
Well, it's actually not a decimal, it's a whole number. We added 2 halves. If anybody else wants to divide on their whiteboards, feel free.
Can I do it up there right there?
Sure, you can try. If we have 2 answers, we can compare them. That always helps.
Let's see, but hey.
Do we remember how to write it as a fraction or a decimal?
So when you have a remainder, remember what we divide. I need help. I need help. Yeah, I got it before everybody.
Beautiful. We have all our data points now. We're not missing anything, right? I think we got it all. Mean, median, minimum, max, range, and mode. All right. So now we're gonna look at this slide. We're gonna look at
It's a joke. It's a
the
joke.
average height of each age group. Do we see this? Sorry, the screen is so small.
I'm the tallest one here. That's just wrong.
So looking at this, when they are 4 years old, the average height, and you guys know average is also called the mean, right? So they collected the heights of a bunch of 4-year-olds, added them all together, and then divided them by the amount of 4-year-olds there. And they got the average height, which is 40 inches. 6-year-olds, how many inches? How many inches were they on average?
40.
Oh, it goes up to this line, which is
50.
between 40 and 50.
45.
45.
45.
8-year-olds, how many inches?
50.
50. 10-year-olds?
60.
55. 12-year-olds?
60.
Yeah, about 60. A little less. So maybe that's 59. 14-year-olds?
65.
A little above.
66.
Yeah, maybe there. And then above 16?
69.
70 inches.
No, that's 69. See?
Oh, sorry, 69. You're right. Oh,
Bro, what did you do?
oh my. All right.
Oops, sorry.
Okay. Oh, here. They gave us the information right here. We were super close when we were reading that bar graph.
59. 67. No fair.
So using this data, you can erase your whiteboards right now. We're going to start over with a new data set. Dantro, can you come back and sit down?
Yep.
Thank you. All right, so we have, you might want to write down these numbers. We have 40.
Wait.
40, 45,
45.
50,
Wait.
55, 59,
Wait.
okay,
60.
and then 67, and then finally 69.
Wait, I knew it was 69.
Yeah, you were right. All right, so together or on your own or with a partner, let's find the mean, median, minimum, maximum, range, and the mode of this
You.
data set.
Hello. Median and partner. Okay. Says hi.
This is 14. Oh, yeah. Central, are you working? Are you focusing hard? What are you going to start with? Which one are you going to start with?
For median, can I just put MED?
For sure.
And that's for 55. What's next? Range. Forgot what range is. Is that 50, 56 minus 61?
Other way around. 61 minus 56. Also known as the maximum minus the minimum.
This is kind of hard.
I know. But remember, we're not using the the numbers up there. We're using the numbers of our new data set of the average heights of kids
So-
based on age group.
I'm just looking up there to like see.
To remember what you need.
Oops. 40, 69 minus 40. 70. For 40 minus, for the range, you just see how 69 minus 40. I'm just gonna put 70 minus 40, and then, so that's 30, and then minus the 1, so it's 29. Am I right?
Yeah. I like how you were telling me your strategy out loud.
Maximum.
And what if there is no mode? You can just say there's no mode.
Oops. Did my D as a Z. Mode is N. Oops. Is N O N O D.
Done. Looks like most of us are on the last one, mean. That one always does take a little bit, right? So many steps.
Wait, so how do you do mean again?
Nice, Sona. You want to remind us how to do mean?
Alright, you add all the numbers together and you divide by how much numbers you have.
Okay. This is so hard. Wait, so can I do like all the numbers, but every time there's a 9, I could like make that like 59 to 60 and 69 to 70, and then when I'm done, take away 2.
That is a way to do addition.
Did you find the mean as well?
I added all the numbers together. Oh, and then you just have to divide.
I'm super clean.
Yeah. Well, I think everybody's board was really clean up until the mean.
Seventy plus equals 8 constipated.
Do we want to share our answers? Because I'm seeing that everybody's basically caught up. They just have the division left. So what did everybody get at
Oh,
the
I'm
end?
so many.
What was the sum of all of the data?
I didn't find a mean, but
385. It's okay, Marcella did the math for us. I saw that you guys were almost there, so Central, please sit down. Central, please sit down.
Okay.
Alright, so the mean is 385 divided by 7. which means then I got 55. That's the mean. All right, really quickly before we are done, how do you find the minimum?
Just look at it's the lowest number.
Lowest number. How do you find the maximum?
69.
How do you find the median?
The middle number. Cross it out.
55.
Middle number. Done, Val. No, thank you. How do you find the range?
29.
Subtract the maximum with the median.
Awesome. How do you find the mode?
So the number that comes the most.
And how do you find the mean?
Add them all together and divide them by the number you have.
55.
Beautiful, guys. All right, clean up your whiteboards. And we're going to return to our classroom. It looks like everybody
Sticker.
is gathered.
Sticker.